So here we are on spring retreat, and we just finished our small groups, and it is raining like crazy out here. I don't know if you can see it, but it is power washing our cars. We got thunder and lightning. There's Ezra inside his thing. Oh my gosh, it's like spraying on me. You can see our campfire is about to go out. All those pieces, all their clothes is just soaked. That towel's never going to be used again. Look at those clothes. Those clothes are soaked. They're done. Oh my gosh, this is awesome.
This is like flooded water.
Look at the water right there. I mean, it's already. I mean, it's only been raining for how long? Maybe 10 minutes at the most.
Less than that. Five. No.
Really? Are you sure? What are you guys doing out there? Why? You guys are playing frisbee? Under the thing? Oh man.